This video shows you how to reoffer a course using source courses in the Courses tool. Reoffering courses provides an efficient and flexible approach when content is regularly reused or updated for recertification and retraining across your organization. To use the reoffer functionality for source courses, users require the See Source Courses tab and can reoffer courses permissions under Manage Courses in the Roles and Permissions tool. To reoffer a course, in the Courses tool, select the Source Courses tab and click the Actions menu for the source course you want to reoffer. Then click Reoffer. On the Reoffer page, enter a name and code for your reoffered course. Optionally, click Choose Semester. Search for or select an existing semester from the list, or click Create Semester. Enter a name and code, save, then click Done. Enter a start date and end date for your course. By default, the reoffered course is set to active. Click the toggle to make your reoffered course inactive if desired. Click Save or Save and Manage. Observe the Course Reoffer in Progress dialog that appears to notify you that your reoffered course is being created. Once the content and settings from the existing course are copied, a notification reading Source Course Creation Complete appears in Update Alerts on the navbar. You are now on the course administration page for your reoffered course. When adding assignments, quizzes, or discussions, make sure to review start dates, due dates, and end dates. These dates do not update automatically when the course is reoffered. D2L recommends enabling completion tracking in your source course to monitor progress across reoffered versions. Source courses do not support user enrollment, and if learners are enrolled into a source course, the system automatically pushes those enrollments to the latest reoffered course based on that source course. Therefore, it may be possible to have learner enrollments appear in your newly reoffered course. However, D2L strongly recommends enrolling learners into reoffered courses directly using ClassList, user collections, and Ipsys after the course is created. Although users can be enrolled into reoffered courses through Ipsys, removing learners from a course via Ipsys is not possible. D2L recommends unenrolling learners from within the course offering directly instead of using Ipsys. Now you know how to reoffer a course from source courses, streamlining the process when you frequently reuse or update content for recertification and retraining. Thanks for watching.